Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. July 7th is celebrated as the World Chocolate Day. So come and let's celebrate it with GreyPot. We are making a simple 3-ingredient chocolate recipe, and this is Brigadeiro. This is a Brazilian chocolate truffle. Before starting the recipe, click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to GreyPot, and click the bell icon to get notified about all the new updates and videos from our channel, which is completely free. Let's start by melting some butter in a pan. Once the butter is completely melted, add in half a tin of condensed milk, and that is 200 grams. Mix it for a while. Now sift in cocoa powder. Mix it really well and break all the lumps of cocoa powder. You have to cook the mixture till it becomes really thick. Now it is ready. Transfer this into a greased bowl. Now you have to cool it down, so keep this in refrigerator for 1 hour. And after 1 hour, you can take it out and start making balls. So apply some butter or ghee on your palms. Scoop it up with a spoon and start making balls. Once you make smooth balls like this, you can give different coatings. I tried the colorful sprinklers, which looks really awesome on these chocolate balls. I also tried the black vermicelli sprinklers, which also looks really great, and some grounded pistachios, where you will get a green shade for the coating. Roll this in some powdered sugar to get a white coating. You can try different variations and make it look more attractive. So definitely try this simple and easy recipe and enjoy it with your friends and family. Share your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. And if you like the recipe, don't forget to hit the like button below this video. Do try making this recipe and send the picture of your creations to our Facebook page or Instagram. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Click the logo to get subscribed to GreyPot. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.